Ladies and gentlemen, entrepreneurship has never been easier than a paid job. Becoming a successful entrepreneur can be a lengthy, problematic, yet fulfilling journey where you begin with a small idea and make it from almost nothing. I strongly believe there's 20 tips to help you kick off your business and make it profitable. Number 1, don't just think a business idea for a profitable reasons. Try to make a plan you are interested in. Number 2, once you have a fixed idea in mind, start working on it. Keep in mind that your product or service has demand in the market. Number 3, make a business plan. Whatever you want to start, an online business or manufacturing business, making a business plan is a must before you start your business. Number 4, choose a catchy, meaningful and easy to pronounce business name. You have to check the name you have chosen for your business before you start. The next step is to register the name, have a trademark and get a related, obviously domain name. Number 5, make homework. At first, you should measure the market condition, then target the possible clients. Number 6, you need to do your research carefully to determine your business expenses before you start. Investor will want to know about your business expenses. It will also help you to manage your business professionally. Number 7, make a budget. When you have determined the amount of money you have, you need to figure out the budget required to go ahead and develop your products or services. Number 8, you should decide whether your business is partnership, sole proprietorship, limited company, a non-profit corporation or a corporation. Number 9, get the necessary business permits and licenses. Depending on your country, you need to get necessary business permits and licenses. Number 10, pick the right business location. For some, business locations is the key to success for their business. A business location should be chosen accordingly to the requirements of the business, offering opportunities for future growth. It should be reachable to customers and close to your suppliers. Number 11, do not get to the office so early. In the initial stages, don't worry about finding office buildings, assuming you are not making much revenue. Number 12, always take advice and ideas from your friends and family, as they will usually give you the most honest feedback. Number 13, when you are launching your products or services, make sure to deliver fast and within the time frame. Number 14, to keep your customer loyal to you, keep a steady streams of new products or services. Number 15, be patient. As you know, success does not come instantly. It can take a longer time before you truly gain the fruits from your business or your new business. Number 16, create a network of business friends and do not shy away from public attendance like conferences. They can be fantastic opportunities to network and you never know who you might meet. Number 17, deliver good customer service. A good business runs professionally when they provide outstanding customer service, making them feel valued and important. Number 18, keep good employees. You should hire the right people for your business. You will not be able to do all the jobs required to operate a successful business alone. You need skilled people around you. Number 19, try to keep your cost and expenses low. And number 20, focus on sales and marketing. From the start, you should focus on getting leads and converting them into sales. I strongly believe leads are more important than creating a brand. Is there anything else you would like to know more about and which was included in this video? Let me in the comments below. If you need business ideas, business plan and investment tips, you can visit our website businessdaily24.com. I'll be glad if you like the video and give me some ideas on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.